wòlíì Marcus Tibetan ti tú àṣírí ohun tó fà á tí ebi fi pọ̀ ń lù ú tí ìwà ọ̀daràn náà fi pọ̀. Kí ló yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe? Kí ni wọ́n sọ nípa ààrẹ Tinubu? Kí ni wọ́n sọ pé tí wọ́n bá gbé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìgbésẹ̀ pé àlàáfíà jọba? Kí ni wọ́n sọ pé ó yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe? Kódà kí ni wọ́n sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation? Lẹ́yìn èyí gan ni arákùnrin kan mà tún jáde tẹ́ máa rí inú fọ́nrán yìí tó ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ tó ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ lọ́tún lósì tó ń bẹ bàbá Tinubu pé kí wọ́n jọ̀ọ́ ipò ebi pọ̀ lù nǹkan nira fáwọn èèyàn epo wọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n iná wọ́n àti kọ́lé kì í ṣe kékeré o ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o. arákùnrin yìí bẹ̀bẹ̀ tó ń bẹ ìjọba pé kí wọ́n jọ kán ṣàánú àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù kán ṣàánú àwọn aráàlú. Ẹ wo ó tú ọ̀rọ̀ palẹ̀ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìyà tó ń jẹ àwọn aráàlú nù fọ́nrán yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wòlíì Tibetan náà sọ ohun tó yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe, ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ kí wọ́n gbé àti àwọn àṣírí tó pamọ́ tí wòlíì Tibetan mọ̀ nípa ohun tó ń fa ibi àti ìwà ọ̀daràn.
Orí ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ ni mo wà, mò ń bẹ̀yìn ni omi ò parọ́ fún yín, mò ń bẹ̀yìn torí àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù mo ṣe ń bẹ̀yìn. Bàbá nǹkan kan ìyà ń jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù gan o, aláàrin aláàlú bàbá o, ìyà ń jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù gan o, nǹkan kan o, ó ń lọ fún àpá o, mi ò ní pa fún yín o, ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù o. Eléyìí tẹ́ fi agbádá kówó Nàìjíríà jẹ ti tó, ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ mẹ̀kúnnù tẹ̀sí máa ń jẹun, mẹ̀kúnnù lè máa ra mọ́tò, mẹ̀kúnnù lè máa kọ́lé, bọ̀ mẹ̀kúnnù máa jẹun, tálíkà máa jẹun, wọ́n máa yó. Ẹlòmíì ti jẹ táítọ́ọ̀sì gbẹ̀yìn báyìí ó ti pẹ́, ẹ̀yin náà wo ewé tán ta dìríkà ráìsì. Ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ bímọ mẹ́ta, báwọn ṣe fẹ́ kó ẹmọye tán sanwó ná, ẹmọye tán sanwó lé, ẹmọye tán sanwó skul. Aláàní aráàlú gan nǹkan kan, ẹ ṣàánú aráàlú. Nígbà tẹ́lómi bá ń fi 1 billion tó bá lóun fi 1 billion ṣe relocation owó ilé tán ti kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹlòmíì fi 20 billion naira change wardrobe, kí ló dé? Ẹ ṣàánú aráàlú. Ẹlòmíì fi 3.5 billion ra mọ́tò tó ṣe fẹ́ kó fẹ́ fò lójú òfurufú, mọ́tò tó máa rìn lẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ ṣàánú aráàlú ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Nǹkan kan ebi ń pa aráàlú gan, ìyà ń jẹ aráàlú ni, àwa náà la dìbò fún yín pé kẹ́ lọ bẹ̀. Ẹ má fìyà jẹ wá, eléyìí tẹ́ fìyà jẹ wá tó. Ẹ̀rọ ọkàn ni bàbá o, láìpẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ọkàn ni ìyà ń jẹ aráàlú gan o, mẹ̀kúnnù ń sọ́fà o. Ká tó san owó skul ti wọ́n bí òfò, owó ilé ti wọ́n, owó nẹ́pà ti wọ́n, gbogbo nǹkan ló ti wọ́n bàbá ẹ̀kọ́. ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi lélẹ̀ pé mò ń bẹ̀ yín ni, gbogbo Nàìjíríà ló rán mi sí yín bàbá ẹ pé ká bẹ̀ yín pé kẹjọ kẹ síjú àánú wo Nàìjíríà. Àwọn tó ń fagbádá kówó Nàìjíríà jẹ ti pọ̀ jù, wọ́n kàn ń kówó Nàìjíríà sínú agbádá ni. Ẹ ṣàánú ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Àwọn olóyìnbó mi náà tó bá wọ́ọ̀dù títì fún wọn pé kán ṣe títì, wọn nílò màtíríàsì gidi, màtíríàsì wèrè náà máa lò, náà ti ṣe títì ọdún kan màdẹ títì ń wú padà. Bàbá ẹ ṣàánú, ẹ wo ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi lélẹ̀. Ṣépè mọ́ o, ṣépè mọ́, à ń bẹ̀yìn báyìí ni. Ìkọ́ tá a bá tún ṣépè jù wọ́n lè ní kọ́lọ́pàá máa wá wa kiri. Ìyà dẹ̀ ń jẹ wá, a lè dákẹ́ mọ́, a lè mú mọ́ra mọ́, la ṣe ké gbàjarè, àti ké gbàjarè báyìí. Ẹ ṣàánú, ìyà ń jẹ wá. Wo ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mi, mo yí káàtù fún yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin sínétọ̀ wa, ẹ̀yin gọ́vnà wa, ẹ̀yin pírẹ́sídẹ́ǹtì wa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin lọ́balọ́ba, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù. Ìyà ń jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù o, ó pọ̀ bí gọjú bí kọ́lọ́ o. Gbogbo akọ́lá máa ṣògo ká tó jẹun o. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù kò tó wọn jẹun mọ́. Ẹ̀mẹ̀ tán ta ráìsì, ẹ̀mẹ̀ tán tepo, ẹ̀mẹ̀ tán tòróró, gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń jẹ sẹ́nu pátápátá ló ti wọ́n. Ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù, ẹ wo à ń bẹ̀ yín ni. Ẹ ṣáà rí pé mo dọ̀bálẹ̀ ni. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù o, mi ò ní wá yín tí bàbá o. Nǹkan kan o, ẹ ṣàánú mẹ̀kúnnù, ebi ń pa mẹ̀kúnnù, àti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè báyìí, àti ké gbàjarè báyìí. Ẹ ṣàánú o, ẹ ṣàánú o, ẹlòmíì wọ́n ti fi ṣéǹjì gbàyàwó ẹ ṣàánú ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run omi ò ní wá yín tí o.
Yoruba people complaining, running helter-skelter, Tinubu has brought poverty, this and that. What's your own take on the state of the nation now, especially for the food inflation?
Thank you, sir. In Paris here, and in Freetown, food is not free.
Yes.
Here you pay, they give it to you in the service. The most important thing that we have to check in Nigeria, when you enter any restaurant to eat in America, any part of America, the attendants will attend to you very well. while the man who created the business may be in the office. Then when you are going, due to the fact that they attended to you very well, you can still give them a tip. But Nigeria did not want to work. They want a tip. Right from the time of Obasanjo, right from the time of Buhari, Shagari, and Babangida, they'll be going to Aso Rock, Barak, to share money. And then the Fulanis, they are so powerful to the extent they walk into CBN and pick money as if they are taking money from their vault. And whatever you wanted to talk, even that was what Leon Emefiele to be with the worst CBN bank manager.
Of course.
Sanusi does the same thing, but to some limits. When one was there, they were busy putting Nigerian check into their pocket. They spend it as if it's their money because there's no fear of God. And they don't have respect. In Kenya, they have all this, that's why the Jews are making noise all the time. Because they go to Turkey, they go to Libya, they come to France to bring all this in there and put it in the creek. So if anything happens, even at times when they are broke, they go to break banks with dynamite and everything those days. So 83, 84, 85. And how do you come about what do you know about Topolo? What do you know about Dikibo? What do you know about all these people? These are natural talks. But now they are relevant, they make them king. They bring them to watch the pipeline. Then how do we get good results? When you ask armed robber to be taken out of jail, is a repentant armed robber taken out of Ikoyi prison? It won't work.
Yes, sir.
And all these things cannot work. We should sit down around the table.
Yeah.
Even the member of the House of Assembly, in state, in federal, everywhere, before they pass anything to law, they need to go to Tata institutions. Go out and talk to the market woman and everything, so that we can know what, even before you pass any law, it is the generality has even accepted that yes, it should go as a law. But now those people who cheated us, who robbed us of our election, who gave us a cocoa of rice, a derica of rice, and ran into Senate for another 4 years. Then after 4 years again they come. When they are campaigning, they don't need bulletproof. After we give them the vote again, after they bought the card and everything, they are not using convoy. We cannot meet them at home. And we cannot go to them again. How? But they have forgotten that power is temporary. Power is what? Is temporary. We came from the soil, we go back there until Nigeria realize that we are our brother's keeper. Is then we can excel as a nation. Because Yoruba is almost out of it now. And Yoruba is the largest tribe in the whole world.
Yeah.
What made us large is us, they punished us more beyond recognition. During the slavery, is the Yoruba side. They drop them, they call the place Sierra Leone. They drop them on the way, they call the place Liberia. They drop them on the way, they call the place Brazil. They call them on the way, they call it Trinidad and Tobago. If we should assemble, even Kutano, bring all the Yoruba down together, nobody will be able to stand our way.
Yes.
But we are waiting, and the time is coming. I don't know the Fulani or the Hausa know about this. All the left from Nigeria, no Yoruba indigene that's been from other places than Nigeria, Oduduwa, Odutudaiwa. So that is it. We have your son, we portray in the morning, and great father. Where your son will listen attentively, putting his hand at the back to listen to what his father is saying. It's only Yoruba land. So to come to your question, sir, all these things will be eradicated. It will increase the number of police, the state police,
security.
Yes, the state police, park police, forest police, college police, airport police, everything the local government should pay. I don't allow anybody to come from Kano to protect the Oba of Lagos, to protect the Oba of Benin, to protect the Oba of Ore. Let the people from Ore protect their king. Compare the anti-hill in the forest, in the bush. The queen and the kings are there, being protected by what? By the soldiers, the ants. But they don't bring flies. They don't bring cockroach to come and protect them. No. And they all armed to teeth. If you break the cave and you want to go to the queen or the king, all those ants will come out and enter your trouble and they will be eating you, detracting you so that you can live. And that's how it should be. And the setting of the whole world, the picture was taken from the anti-hill composition. That's what happened. When you look at the ant, trailer cannot kill an ant, and it has brain more than we human being. When the trailer cleared him, it will just go. You have the driver to make sure when the trailer leaves, then it goes. And when they saw any animal killed somewhere, they will go and call themselves. Among the ants, there is police, there is soldier, there is custom, there is navy, there is bricklayer, then everything there is cook, and they do have storage. But when you look at Proverbs 1, the last 4 verses, and when you look at the book of Proverbs again, 20 from verse 6, then Proverbs 16, then Amos 3, then when you look at what he said in Deuteronomy 29, and when you see what he said in the book of 1 Samuel 8 and 9, how Samuel was made king. So this is a day. And when even about cool, and look at what he said in the book of Isaiah 39, when Hezekiah came out fine from his illness, the enemy came to spy on him. There was one prophet, Psalm 137. But when they got to when they moved them as a slave they're now getting there in Daniel 1 verse 8, Daniel 2, 3, 4, and Daniel 8 and 9, and Daniel 6. In order to kill the Amora, God used one person. That's Daniel. Then when you look at when they sold Joseph in the book of 1 Samuel, Genesis 37, 38, 39, 40, and 45, 47, 48, then 50, verse 16, 17, 18. He said everything. How Joseph scaled through the whole trouble without complaining. But the dream he interpreted made him to be in charge of the store city. And look at the clause in the book of Exodus 1, from verse 6, 7, 8, 9. He said, the king that knows Pharaoh, that knows Joseph, is not my life. So we should wait. Tinubu will restructure what we give him to do. Nigeria will be back on track. Nigeria will be well. Again, he's sick. But with good governance now, he has already arranged it. His judicial system has been arranged. And when we were talking about Nigeria data, crossing out, no crossing out, look at what Obaseki did in Odi. What happened in Odi for them killing the soldiers? Then when you look at what Obaseki did in Operation Federation, what is the one he did in the book, bringing First and 77, and what he did it by when Article 7 in the refinery. Most of that has been done a lot before. But this man has committed a crime. Tinubu has not committed. He was a governor, he was a senator, but he was a governor. Tinubu Obasanjo was on his neck to destroy him. Same Obasanjo said this man is not a messiah. He said Abiola is not a messiah. Until they cook everything, Abiola died in jail till tomorrow. So I don't know what they want from the black people, what they want from the Yoruba people. They should allow peace to reign. They should ask them to stay clear of Tinubu. Because when you look at Fulani and the chief judge of the federation, Abiola won. Don't go closer to Abiola, to Obasanjo. If you walk with this man, you will die prematurely. And look at it of them. They gave more than a ticket to go and print. At the end of the day, they said the salary for Abiola. Then he made Bola to come and be chief judge. But I think by the rest people, they arrange high leave. They want him because they don't want him to be a threat for them. We should thank God and give kudos to God. We have people who are satanic-minded leaders. Leaders who are killers from heaven. But God still hold the country together. Because the country has expired 2014. During the time of Good United. And even Good United not be ignorant. A normal Fulani person. It was that opportunity we give them to build the place. And when you look at what Buhari did throughout, he brought in Boko Haram. It was a Fulani that brought in Boko Haram. Go to Futajala. People really don't have a place. It's like you say, your father and my father was killing what? In Jos. And he said they bought Nigeria. Nigeria is extension of their land. Where is the original land? So these are the place. Fake informations triumph in Nigeria. Bad information is all over the whole place. There are people fake news.
Truncated news,
Yes. Look at the recent. A lady passed an examination. He passed an exam. And when he was appraising God, praising God, they used cordial stick and killed her. Deborah. Then when you look at the lady, the best fighter in the Air Force, Atilade,
yeah, I remember.
then they use reverse to kill this person.
ṣùgbọ́n yóò ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá kí lè ròyìn ẹ̀dá sí ẹ̀rọ kọ́mẹ̀tì yín ẹ ti rí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ ẹ̀ tún bẹ̀bẹ̀ pé kí ìjọba pé kí wọ́n ṣe ohun tó tọ́ kí ayé jẹ àwọn èèyàn mọ́ báwo ni gbogbo ìyà yìí fẹ́ lọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí arákùnrin yìí ṣe ń sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbóhùn lẹ́nu wòlíì Tibetan náà tó ti sọ ohun tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa ohun tó fa ìwà ọ̀daràn àti ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Fúlàní àti àwọn tó ń kówó jẹ àwọn tó ń jẹ àjẹbánu àti gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó fi kan ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation. Drop comment and remember to like, share and follow. Thanks for watching. I love you polówó ọjà kó WhatsApp number page.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni lórí ọmọ ni lórí iṣẹ́ ni níbi gbogbo ni bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 7025 47 5427 +234 7025 475427 bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu